This series focuses on examination topics in English language for candidates who are about to write WAEC and NECO in Nigeria. Topics ranging from grammar, vocabulary development, comprehension, summary, essay writing, and oral English. Some of the topics have been covered in my previous videos. Do well to look at some of these topics ranging from the grammar, oral English, and so many topics in English language. But this series focuses mainly for candidates who are about to sit for WAEC and NECO examination. If you are just joining me on this channel, this is your online English tutor at Banking's Corner. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more useful topics for communication and English language as a whole. Now, like I said, we'll be looking at this for now. Here I have useful hints on how to write a letter. Our first point of call will be letter writing. Like I said, this is a series for candidates who are about to sit for WAEC and NECO. So the topic that we'll be dealing with is letter writing. We'll be looking at meaning of letter writing, the basis for it in examination, categories and the scope that the examination usually asks from candidates, content basis for letter writing. So these are some of the topics, the highlights for today's video. Let's look at what letter writing is all about. Letter writing is an act of communication. Talking about the communication, what is being communicated in letter writing? We are talking about the feelings, the opinions, the ideas that we intend to communicate with a certain individual, if the individual was present with us. Or is an act of communication feelings, ideas, opinions to someone who is absent, and we write it as if the person is present with us. So in general, letter writing is an act of communication. Why is letter writing infused in this final external examination as far as WAEC and NECO is concerned? Of course, is to test the ability of candidates on how well they can communicate their ideas, on how well they can communicate their feelings, their opinions about a topical issue given as a question in the examination. So, categories and or scope of this letter writing. We have three categories. For WAEC and NECO, the questions on letter writing is limited to two basic category types of letter, which is formal letter and informal letter. So as a candidate, I will advise you to focus more on how to write the informal and the formal letter. The third, which is a semi-formal, is not, questions are not usually asked on them. So as a candidate about to sit for this examination, I will advise you to focus more on how to write a formal letter or an informal letter. Let's move to the content basis for letter writing. Letter writing questions for WAEC and NECO could be narrative, could be a descriptive form of letter, could be the one that seeks your opinion about a particular issue. So how do I know how to write a letter? It's from the questions given to you as a candidate. From the questions, you will be able to know whether this type of letter writing is a descriptive one, is the one that allows you to narrate your personal experience or about a situation. It could also be a type of letter that is descriptive. A type of letter that is descriptive. All in all, any question given to you, under formal or informal, know that they can be narrative, they can be descriptive. Remember, the letter talks about seeking your opinion about a topical issue. And how do you know what to write about? It's from the questions given to you in the question paper. Remember, the content basis for letter writing could be narrative, could be descriptive, or explanatory. Any question given to you as a candidate sitting for WAEC or NECO, know that the letter writing question could be a narrative type. That means you are to explain your opinion about a pertinent issue raised in the question. If it's descriptive, from the question given to you, you should be able to know what to write if you are asked to describe. If it's going to be an explanatory type of letter, you will know from the questions given to you. So, this hint helps you as a candidate to prepare for letter writing in WAEC or NECO examination. Do well to like, share to your friends, colleagues who are about to sit for this exam, because this series will be very, very useful as you prepare for your forthcoming exam. See you in my next video. Bye.